the use of frozen paratha series. In this episode, I'm going to show you how to make flaky vegetable Frankie, street style food into the home kitchen. And today, for the street style flaky, tasty Frankie, I'm going to use onion flaky parathas from Kawan. So let's begin. Let's make Frankie masala mix. Here I have ground coriander and cumin, dhania powder, jeera powder. Start adding into the jar red chili powder, lal mirch, turmeric powder, haldi, garam masala. I'm using pav bhaji garam masala. Kala namak or chaat masala can be used. Amchur powder, dry mango powder. If dry mango powder is not available, add lemon or lime juice while preparing the recipe. Put the lid on and mix. Frankie masala is ready. So as you saw, preparing Frankie masala is pretty easy. And now I'm going to make stuffing for vegetable Frankie, and I'm going to make aloo matar stuffing. So let's begin. On a medium to high heat, take teaspoon of oil, cumin seeds, jeera, spring onion, curry leaves. Start. Bring down the temperature on a low now, low to medium. Capsicum, bell pepper, ginger, adrak, lasan, garlic, salt to taste, matar, green peas, frozen sod, Frankie masala, add boiled mashed potato, add just a little bit of water, mix everything really well, turn off the stove and keep mixing until everything comes together nicely. So the stuffing is ready. Garnish with finely chopped dhania, coriander leaves. Mix it one more time and let the stuffing cool. When the stuffing has cooled down, take good amount of a mixture and form into cylinder like so. So here I have the Frankie stuffing ready as well, and now let's assemble vegetable Frankie street style. Here I have flaky onion flavored Kawan frozen paratha. Remove the plastic, and here I have the griddle preheated at 420 degrees Fahrenheit. I like to bake parathas on my griddle where I can bake 2 parathas at the same time. Kawan offers variety of parathas including multigrain, whole wheat, flaky parathas, original paratha. So you can choose your favorite variety. My family loves flaky paratha with many recipes, whether it's to serve with curry or if I want to make aloo puffs. So you must have seen my video how you can make puff pastry out of using flaky Kawan frozen parathas. Bake parathas really good until both sides are well cooked. Press in the middle to cook evenly. As you can see, this paratha is baked really well from all over. This is how I like well baked paratha. This one needs to be cooked in the middle. So flip and keep pressed. This paratha is done, so I'm going to remove from the griddle and bring down onto the paper towel, and I'm going to bake this one and also the remaining parathas now. Bake these parathas with little patience, or else you will have some raw paratha inside, or you can use oven to bake all of them at the same time. And now, as you can see, it's baked well everywhere. So I'm going to bake the remaining parathas. Here I have all the parathas ready. Take one paratha at a time. As you can see, well-baked paratha. First, apply tomato ketchup. Here I have chili garlic sauce. From the vegetables, here I have cabbage, carrot, and hari pyaz, spring onion, and sprinkle little bit of a Frankie masala if desired. Take one potato roll on vegetables, and here I have hari chutney, coriander chutney, dhania chutney basically, pudina, dhania pudina, any kind of chutney you have, you can use. If desired, shred cheese and simply fold in. Take the foil, place the Frankie on and wrap like so. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please do like and comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for new recipe videos every week. You can also visit my website bhavnaskitchen.com for new recipe tips, tricks and ideas in the kitchen. You can also follow me on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest. Bhavna's Kitchen is everywhere. You can download Bhavna's Kitchen app for free on many devices including iOS, Android. You can watch me on a big TV screen using Roku or YouTube. Thanks for watching and see you soon.